Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device and choosing the method. Plug the iPhone in, connect to reliable Wi-Fi, and make sure battery is above 50% so the process won't pause. Sign into your Apple ID and check iCloud storage, or get a Mac/PC ready for a local backup. Once you decide, iCloud for convenience, encrypted Finder/iTunes for passwords and health, move to the next step. This choice affects encryption, speed, and where you can restore. Now create the actual backup. If you use iCloud, go to Settings, tap your name, then iCloud Backup and choose Backup Now. Stay on Wi-Fi until it finishes. If you use a Mac, connect the iPhone, open Finder, select the device, enable Encrypt Backup if you want passwords and health saved, and click Backup Now. On a PC, use iTunes the same way. Make sure the progress reaches 100%, and note the backup time and size so you know it completed successfully. Finish by verifying the backup to ensure recovery will work. For iCloud, check settings under iCloud Backup for the latest timestamp and size. For Finder or iTunes, look at the backup list and confirm the encrypted flag if used. Once verified, keep your phone connected until confirmation completes, then you can sign out or prepare the device for exchange. If something goes wrong, check storage space, restart Wi-Fi, update iOS, or swap the USB cable and port.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.